Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add social media links in Google business profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business and then you see sign in button, so click on it and then you see business and status. So we have two businesses. Now you see verification required, verified. Now click on it and then you see multiple options, so click on edit profile. So we are going to add social media links, then you see business information pop-up open and then you see multiple tabs, so click on contact and then you see social profile new, so click on add pencil icon and then you see add social profile. So it's up to you, if you want you can add more than one social profile. Now select, now you see Facebook, Instagram, now select. So you can add your Facebook page link. So we added web address and then you see add social profile, so click on it. If you want you can add more like this, if you want you can delete it, so it's up to you and then click on save. So in this way you can add social profile in Google business profile. So that social link display on Google and Google Map. Now you see social profile added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.